Hello friends, welcome to Daily Munchies. Today let us discuss about the National Legal Service Authorities. The motto of National Legal Service Authority, that is NALSA, is access to justice for all. Now, the National Legal Service Authorities was formed under the Legal Service Authorities Act 1987 and it came into force on 9th November 1995. Now let us understand what is the philosophy and the history behind formation of National Legal Service Authorities. The Legal Service Authority was formed to implement the National Legal Aid Program. Why this legal aid program? Because in the Constitution of India, Article 39A has stated to provide free legal aid to the poor and the weaker sections of the society. Also, Article 14 states equality before law, and Article 22, Section 1 states that there shall be a legal system which promotes justice on the basis of equality of opportunity to all. So, to have a legal system or a justice system with equal opportunity to all means it includes the weaker sections of the society. That means that justice should not be denied to all sections of the society for the sole reason because of their economic and social disabilities. Now let's move on to the history of legal aid movement. The earliest legal aid movements was around 1851 in France. It was introduced to provide free legal assistance to the indigent workers. In India also, since 1952, such efforts have been made. Numerous committees, 1952, 1960, and so on, have been made. However, in 1980, a committee of implementing legal aid scheme was formed under Justice Bhagwati, which was monitoring the implementation of legal aid services. And on the recommendations of this committee, uh, there was an act, that is the Legal Service Act, Authorities Act 1987, formulated in the Parliament, which gave it a statutory backing, and it also started the formation of Lok Adalats. Now, it is also important from the prelims point of view to note that the Nyay Deep is an official newsletter of the NALSA, which provides important information and awareness about legal service aid and legal aid program. Now, there is a hierarchy and a network of legal service authorities in the entire country. The NALSA being the national level, at the which is headed by the Chief Justice of India, and the executive chairman is the senior most judge of the Supreme Court. At the state level, there is a state legal service authority, which is headed by, it is also known as the patron in chief, is the Chief Justice of the High Court. Below which, at every high court, there is a high court legal services committees. At the district level, there is a district legal service authorities, and at the taluka level, including the 2 or 3 talukas, or even at a single taluka level, there is a taluk legal service committees. So, what are the functions of these legal service authorities? It provides free and competent legal services to all eligible persons. We'll look into the matter who are the eligible persons under Section 12 of the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987. It also organizes Lok Adalats. Now it is proposed to organize permanent Lok Adalats. Also, it is a alternative dispute settlement mechanism, and which provides speedy disposal of the legal cases. Also, these authorities take up legal awareness campaigns in the rural areas, in the schools and communities. It also encourages the participation of NGOs in providing legal awareness about legal aid services program. So, what exactly are the free legal services that are provided under the NALSA or the Act? It includes the payment of court fees, process fees, and all kind of economic charges that the notified section of people have to undergo. It also provides services of the of lawyers in the legal proceedings. It also provides obtaining and supply of certified copies of the orders and documents in legal proceedings. Uh, in fact, it also undertakes preparation of for the preparation of appeals and paper books, including printing and translation of documents in the legal proceedings. Now, who are the people who are eligible under the free legal services? So the Section 12 of the Legal Service Authority Act 1987 states that women, children, uh, people from the belonging to the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes, industrial workmen, victims of disasters, violence, flood, drought, earthquake, industrial disasters, disabled, including the mental disabilities, people suffering from mental disability, those who are in custody, persons who are in custody, also victims of human trafficking and beggar, defined in the Constitution of India, have access to free legal services of the to free legal services under the under this act. Thank you so much.